Escape to the Country, Saturday 8:30 on 7/2.
Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Thunderstorms developed further east this afternoon compared to yesterday, leaving coastal areas in the firing line with mostly clear skies west of the ranges. Much the same tomorrow, but southeast winds are set to pick up on Sunday, Monday as storms spread inland again. Today's temperature range in Townsville was 25 to 33 degrees, above average at both the top end and on the bottom. Humidity is obviously playing a role as well, 59% at the airport this afternoon. On the satellite loop, you'll notice firstly the tropical low that's starting to wind up around the Solomon Islands. That one's sort of tipped with a fairly high likelihood of developing into a cyclone over the weekend. However, if it does so, it'll just continue to track parallel to Queensland and eventually away from the coast, so it won't threaten the state or won't threaten anything in Australia. Otherwise, we've got this line of storms, like I said, develop a little bit further east this afternoon compared to yesterday. Some of them quite severe, especially the central coast, the Capricornia and the Wide Bay. Now, on today's chart, you can see why the storms have been mostly coastal today, because that's where the trough is lying, connected to a cold front that winds up into a low there just off the coast near Sydney. On tomorrow's chart, that trough actually moves north, which means the whole of southern Queensland will have a fine day. We weren't expecting this 24 hours ago, but the whole system's moved a bit faster than we thought. There'll still be storms north of about Bundaberg, of course. And then on the outlook chart, we'll have the system start to move west again. A southeasterly change pushes up the coast, cooling things down just a little bit. The latest now from the Weather Bureau. Boating forecast for Townsville waters, southeast to northeast winds 10 to 15 knots tomorrow, up to 20 knots at times on Sunday, and then strong force southeast winds on Monday. Tomorrow's the half moon neap tide, so the swing will be quite gentle over the course of the day. We've got low tide around mid-morning and high in the afternoon. Herbert and Burdekin, 40% chance of showers tomorrow. There could be some thunderstorms. Townsville, 26 tonight, 33 tomorrow. Air also 33, 35 degrees for Ingham. Northern Goldfields and Upper Flinders, outside chance of a late storm around Charters Towers, where the top will be 37 degrees, and Georgetown 38. Looking ahead for Townsville, we're starting to get a clearer picture of next week now. Not totally dry, but rain will be a lot less likely. Unfortunately, the heat and humidity will continue. And that's it for this week, folks. Keep sending in those non-sunrise, non-sunset weather photos. And remember, if you have any weather-related questions you'd like answered on air, just shoot us an email at asklivio@7.com.au. Have a nice weekend. Now it's back to the team.
Terrific, Liv. Good on you, mate. Thank you very much. Nice having your company, folks. Have a great weekend.
A reminder that you can watch a replay of 7 News on 7plus and catch up on our page at 7news.com.au. From all the team, good night.
Good night.
Tonight in 7 News, the Gold Coast COVID outbreak, a rapid rise in cases